Hello guys, I just changed the wiper blade motor and assembly. It is easy but very patient. You have to remove the top things. It's like 16 bullet, and for the assembly ones, star ones, and also 2 from the cab filter. It is easy. And make sure when to buy this motor, make sure the price, check price with the other dealers. Some dealers sell these things like $400. I got this one on $60 motor and like $89 assembly from the Walton, Kentucky Freightliner. So it is easy. Be patient, you will go through it. And why I changed this, this thing is coming off. This thing was loose and coming off, and you have to change the whole thing, 2 arms. And if your motor is bad, sometimes I just try to change the whole thing. Alrighty.